Good morning, shadows. I am up, I am dressed, and I am getting ready to head to Burgas, which is like a seaside city, so I'm super stoked. I got probably about 30 minutes before I need to check out, go down, get a taxi, get to the train station. I'm doing train again. It's gonna take about 2 hours to get to Burgas. There's a little confusion on my side from directions on how to get to the hostel, because I guess there's multiple train stations apparently, which I don't know for sure. And this one, the directions that Hostel World gave were basically just like the main bus station and train station next to each other were across the park down the road kind of idea. So I'm a little nervous by that, so I may wind up taking a taxi. And like I've said before, if it's something that you're a little nervous about, do the easy thing. Just spend the money, take the time, do the easy thing. It'll give you peace of mind. It'll make your trip a lot more enjoyable. So yeah, let me finish getting dressed. I just have to put my shoes on, and then we will be heading out to the train station and heading to Burgas. So excited. All right guys, see you in a bit. To the hostel. I think the rip-off taxis happen in like the tourist spots, so just be warned of that, because yeah, we won't go into that. So the hostel seems pretty cool. When I get back, I'll give you a little tour. Right now I'm just out trying to figure out my surroundings, maybe find some food, and then I'll be back to do some work. I have to finish up a thing for a client, but so far I think Burgas looks pretty cool, and the hostel seems to be pretty located in where there's a lot of stuff. So yeah, let's see what's going on. Good morning, shadows. We are on our first full day in Burgas, and as typical, we are just going to roam and see what we can see and try to get our bearings. I am trying to go to the tourist information, so maybe I can get a map so I can kind of see where things are. Let me change that angle. There we go. So yeah, that's our first stop, some tourist information, and then we'll kind of go from there. This is what I'm walking through. I might be in love. The city is pretty cool, fairly easy to navigate. It has some amazing artwork. Just take a look. I am in the sea garden, and why parks next to sea, like oceans or seas, are not more of a thing is beyond me. Some of the sites are ridiculously beautiful. I'm actually going to come back and spend a day here. The day I go do beach, I'm going to do here and then the beach as well. So yeah, because there's a lot to see. It's so beautiful, it's so peaceful. Like right now I'm not near the ocean, but you can walk right along the ocean, so you can like hear you have like the, oh, it's just, it's so hard to describe right now because I'm so happy. But basically it's really relaxing, right? So you can walk through these beautiful like trees and everything, but you can still hear the ocean. It's kind of why I really liked the walk in Montenegro, was because you had like the greenery and then you had the ocean next to you. I think for me that's like a magical combo. If you come to Burgas, if you come to Bulgaria, I don't know why you wouldn't come to Burgas. Burgas is beautiful. You definitely have to take a day to do like the beach, of course, but also like take some time to see the sea garden, and then also like just wander around down on the pedestrian downtown like streets. It's absolutely stunning. It's giving Plovdiv a run for its money on favorite places in Bulgaria. Plovdiv still got a little bit, but I'm just on my first full day here, so yeah, I mean, come on, look at this, watch, I'm gonna show you something. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, flowers and seagulls. Who knew I would enjoy it so much? Alright guys, I'm gonna get back to walking around, just chilling. So like I said, today is our typical day to just kind of run around and see what we can find. I found the State Opera, I found the Puppet Theater, I found all 3 museums that we're gonna do tomorrow. Tomorrow is a museum day. And then I think Sunday is gonna be the beach and the park, because of course Monday is my day off, where I do all day work. So unless something special is happening, which I think Monday might be the 26th, so I might do the opera that day. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so back to enjoying nature and just really enjoying Burgas. Alright guys, so made it back to the hostel, finished my wandering around day, had a really good lunch, had a beer, kind of relaxed, and then I'm gonna get working. So this is where I'm going to leave it for today. I will see you guys in the morning, where tomorrow we're going to do a museum day. Woo! Yeah! Alright guys, talk to you later.